l'artisan Parfumeur's upcoming fragrance, a Fleur de Pêche, pays tribute to the peach, which l'artisan say has been forgotten by modern perfumery. The creator is Antoine Maisondieu, senior Parfumeur at Givaudan, who is responsible for scents such as Tom Ford's Velvet Orchid, Armani Code, and more recently, Paradox for Prada. Since peach is not an ingredient from which essential oil can be extracted, Maisondieu has had to recreate his interpretation of the scent. Notes for the fragrance include peach, bergamot, rosewood, pink pepper, jasmine, cologne, patchouli, and tonka bean. The fragrance launches exclusive to Selfridges on May 1st and globally on the 15th of May.